Hello, in front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch C2 Plus, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the upper or the lower button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And once you open the watch face menu, you can swipe left and right to scroll through the list of watch faces, find the watch face you would like to use, tap on it to select it, and apply it. You can also add more watch faces to this list by swiping all the way to the right, tapping on See More Watch Faces. Like this, find the watch face you would like to use on this list. Once you find it, tap on it. It will be added to the watch face menu, and now you can tap on it to select it, and once you select it, it's gonna be applied on your watch. Another thing you can do is to customize watch faces. Some of them have this settings icon under them, and you can tap on the settings icon, to change a couple of things. For example, here we can change the widgets, so we can tap on one. Let's allow it, I guess. Okay, now we can scroll through the list of widgets and select the widget we want. Like that. Maybe something else, maybe steps. It's gonna be easier. Okay, and once you select the widgets, you can press the upper button to apply the changes. Another way to change the watch face is to go through settings. So you can press the upper button to open the menu, find the settings icon, tap on it, then tap on display, and here tap on change watch face. It's gonna open the watch face menu. You can find the watch face you like and tap on it to select it and apply it. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to change the watch face. So let's move our watch to the side, bring our phone right here, unlock the screen, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. Like this, maybe a little less. Okay. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Wear OS application. In the app, you should see watch faces category. You can tap on more. And here you can find the watch face you like to use. And tap on it. It's gonna be selected and applied on your watch, like that. Okay, once you're done, you can close the app, and that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.